How to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet.
Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video.
Phantom Wallet is primarily for storing crypto, not for buying it directly. To buy Solana, you will need to use an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. You can deposit flat USD into your exchange account and convert your USD into Solana. And in your exchange, you can easily go to withdraw and simply you can select Solana and paste your Phantom wallet address. So now simply to get your Phantom wallet address, you can open Phantom wallet and click on deposit option. Select Solana and you can simply copy the address. Choose Solana network and you can confirm the transaction. And Solana network can sometimes experience congestions causing delays. If that happens, you may need to wait for the network to clear up. I recommend setting a reminder to check later. And once the transaction is complete, you can use your Solana in Phantom Wallet under recent activity. So the key is using a reliable exchange and waiting for the Solana network to process your transaction. So thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.